Most 65-foot sport yachts settle for one identity. The Sunseeker Predator 65 refuses to choose. A genuine 35-knot performance flagship that still delivers 3 cabins, 6 guest cruising comfort. Built by Sunseeker in Poole, England. The Predator 65 carries the yard's signature composite construction and sleek hull profile. 5 decades of Predator performance DNA distilled into a 67-foot flagship. Twin Volvo Penta IPS pod drives, available in IPS 1200 or IPS 1350 configurations, push the Predator 65 to a top speed of 35 knots with joystick-controlled maneuverability at any pace. Range stands at 750 nautical miles at a 10-knot cruise, backed by a 924-gallon fuel capacity, 67 feet 2 inches overall, 16 feet 8 inches of beam, 5 feet 3 inches draft. Forward, a sun-pad-equipped foredeck lounge. Aft, a fully configurable cockpit and beach club. The signature feature is a retractable carbon fiber sunroof, glass and carbon fiber that glides aft at the touch of a button, opening the helm to open sky. Aft, an extra-wide tender garage carries a Williams 345 jet tender, launched via a diagonal sliding hydraulic bathing platform. Specify the beach club configuration and that garage floor becomes a flush-decked retreat with a rain shower, lighting, and built-in speakers. Below deck, 3 cabins sleep up to 6 guests, a full beam owner's stateroom with a generous ensuite, and a forward VIP cabin with its own ensuite and separate dayhead. A 4th cabin is available for owners who want more room. Bottom line, the Predator 65 is a rare pairing of genuine speed and genuine livability, a flagship for owners who want both. This new Predator 65 is available direct from Sunseeker. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.